Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to kind of do a tip of the day, and what that is when we're washing 2 casement windows, where the best location to close out for your final stroke. What happens is if you try closing straight down, the squeegee handle binds at the bottom. If you close out to the middle, it's free. There's nothing to bind on, so that's a great location to close out. Whereas if you try closing out on this side, the handle's going to hit the frame over on this side. So the best place to select to close out would be here. On this window on the other side, the best place to close out would be here, so we don't bind on any of the other edges. So we'll take a look at it. Cleaning the window, setting your pattern up, close out. On the best location, so your handle does not bind. When it doesn't bind, it reduces the risk of leaving marks. Closes out nice and easy. If we were to try to close out on the other side, what's going to happen is we're going to hit here. We're going to risk leaving marks on the white trim, and it's more work by having to lift up and close out rather than simply looking for the easy out to close out there. So by selecting where you choose to close out when you're finishing a window is very helpful in making your work easier and to make it so you don't damage customers' trim work, especially when we're working with white trim. That's the tip of the day. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.